Hi, Ricardo. Um, so it's really important that you learn how to use the originality report, which you get to by clicking this tile right here. You still have quite a bit of plagiarism in here. Let me show you where it is. So right here, it's fine. There's quotation marks, all good. From here, pteropods all the way down to, let's see, oh wait, there's a close quotation mark. Where does that quote begin? I don't understand. I don't see an open quote, and this is just confusing. I see a close quotation mark here, but I don't see an open quotation mark. And a summary really shouldn't be using many, if any, direct quotes. So if you had meant to put an open quotation mark up here, well, that, I guess you could do that, but that would not really count as a summary, and I could just take off points. At least it wouldn't be plagiarized. There's some more there. So you really need to go and put things in your own words. That's what you need to do. And it's just in that one. Looks like it's just in that. Sure. It's just in that one summary. Let's go back here because this is not looking like a long annotated bibliography. Where are your citations? I don't see your citation. You don't have any citations. Do you have a works cited sheet? Yeah. So you're not supposed to have a works cited sheet when it comes to a bibliography. Let me just show you one. I'm going to show you Robert's because I know he won't mind. This is what your bibliography should look like. It should have a citation here, and then a summary, 200 to 300 word summary here, your own words, no quotes. And then it should have a response paragraph right after the summary that tells me how you plan to use that source in your essay. And it should do it again, 4 times it should do that. So if you need extra time, I can't remember if we've had this conversation, but I can turn in a grade for you today and then do a grade change when you get everything in correctly. Like I could do a grade change on Thursday, for example, but I have to get grades in. I mean, I could maybe wait until tomorrow, but let me know what you want me to do.